RCP
stuff right here.
6.5. And then Radiator.
Vault guys, that's what I was talking about in my AC video that you should have watched a couple days ago. It's the drink. Although it's hard to find in stores, isn't it? You usually have to order online.
Yeah, because the radiator's kind of dusty.
Yeah.
Full time 120 milliliter. Feels a little dusty today.
Oh wow, look at all that. A lot of fans. Cool. Very nice. Also hiding behind back here is the power supply, right?
Yeah.
Do you have the model memorized, or can we just see it?
Power.
Okay.
850 watts.
Cool.
Wait, remember what I had was from an old build, so
Yeah.
I could always add to it if I wanted to.
There it is. The case is now on the table.
So there's the front fan. Now I'm gonna move it to the front, all the way to the front. So I gotta cut a hole in this.
Cool.
The fan usually goes on the inside, now it's coming out the outside.
Guys, check it out. I was just browsing their games, and at the very bottom I saw this. A sealed copy of Perfect Dark for the N64. Dude, explain. This is insane.
I don't know.
I wonder how much it's worth.
I think I got it from a lot off of eBay. Just N64.
Oh, really? So it was included with a bunch of games. That is like the best way to find games that people have no idea they're just selling.
We've had it for like a few years now at least. We try to take it to like a
It's such a great game. And oh wait, there's a now I don't know if it comes with the expansion pack, right? It says required.